with 8 software engineers, 1 designer, and 5 pushing on the business side. So Flatout provides carriers with end-to-end white-labeled smart home solutions. At the center, at the heart of our solution is the Flat Cloud, our smart home platform. In addition to that, we offer a wide range of different smart devices and several smart home gateways from third-party manufacturers. Our smart home facilitates home energy management, provides security, and enhances comfort to improve the quality of life of your customers. Concerning funding, so far we've received $1 billion US from public grants and business angels, and until the end of the year we're planning to raise another $1 million US. So looking at the smartphone and internet router market, we see hardware coming and going every single year, and the same thing is already happening in the smart home space. Looking at software platforms though, like iOS and Android, they evolve and they grow over time, and that is what Flatout offers to you. So the Flat Cloud comes with a customizable user interface, meaning you can roll out a product using your own corporate identity. It is accessible from any device, from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection, thanks to the usage of web-based technologies. It is interoperable, so it was built in such a modular and flexible way that we can add new communication standards at any time. This is very important to respond to future market requirements. It is also interoperable in the sense of cloud services. Think of weather services, government services, energy prices that are flexible. All these will also be integrated one day. And that leads me to the last point. We believe that the smart home market will be a battle of the APIs. So the Flat Cloud comes with an API to integrate into your enterprise software, but more importantly, we provide front-end and back-end APIs to businesses and developers that want to leverage crowdsourcing on our platform, so they can add new devices and new applications. So why would you choose Flatout? We're not just another hardware startup that builds a little smart device and an app on top of it. We're the hammer that slams all these smart devices into one platform, and you can control it from one app. That's us. So we provide you with an end-to-end solution that allows you to accelerate your speed to market. Be out there as soon as possible. Also, our business model and our solution are designed in a way so that you can leverage on your existing subscription models, your distribution network, your customer support infrastructure, and your field service. You can grow your customer base by offering a product that can be installed in any home. It just needs internet access. And last, you can evolve your product and service portfolio with our platform, because we make sure you always have the newest hardware in your shelves, and we will develop value-added services for your customers together with other companies and with cities, so that your customers never get bored of the smart home solution. Where are we standing right now? Our minimum viable product will be ready by the end of the year, and we already have 2 customers that agreed to roll out our solution. One is an internet service provider in Northern Europe, and the other is a utility in Southern Europe. Plus, we partnered up with a utility from Austria. It's actually the first utility to offer hourly flexible energy tariffs, and together with them, we built a prototype so that when energy prices are low, you can access energy storage in your home, actually leveraging, it's a true leverage for renewable energies in the future. Yeah, last actually. Can you turn on the Elmo? Let me show you our product. So right here, okay, we can see our showroom in Vienna. This is an aquaponics system. So if I just turn off the light here, you can see, okay, there's the light at the end. It has energy monitoring. We really looked on an intuitive design. If you want to see more, please visit our demo booth in the Grand Hall. My colleagues Daniel and Kurt will be ready there, so looking forward to talk to you.
Could you speak a little bit to how you're fitting into the ecosystem, where you've got the eye controls, that have hardware, you've got smart things or other operating systems out there. How do you fit in?
Okay, so we're really just developing software. We're developing our cloud platform, and we are partnering up with the smart device manufacturers and the gateway manufacturers. But how we fit in is really by providing this tailor-made solution. So if you have, if a carrier has an
Wait, question. So who will you compete with?
Huh?
Who will you compete with most directly that's in market right now?
Okay, so I would say MyOS or Sonoff that also provide cloud platforms.
Are you spending time working with the home electronics, the refrigerators, and those kind of players? Or are you working with consumer electronic devices that are more perishable?
Right now, we're more working together with really those specialized smart home device manufacturers. But we see great interest from a lot of consumer electronic manufacturers that want to move now into the IT space, and they're contacting us and asking maybe for partnerships on how to bring those products into the IT space.
A lot of tier ones are developing some sort of service that may be similar. Do you see the tier ones as part of the target base, or is this mostly a tier 2 target base?
So right now we are working more with tier 2, maybe even tier 3. They're faster in decision making. We get our proof of market there, and then we really have a standardized process, and we can also go to tier 1 then.
Smart home platform is relatively starting as well, and Apple and Google and players is getting into this market. And right now, how many devices, or what type of devices connect to your platform?
So we have about 14 devices connected right now on our roadmap. There are about 10 more. So we're using now C-Wave and Wi-Fi. And especially on the Wi-Fi side now, we're integrating a lot of devices. And we already see partners waiting for our backend API to be ready, and that they can shoot in all their devices as well.
Great. I'm going to cut you off there, but thank you.